Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boys, Sinus Gaming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Alright peeps, so I have something I want to share with you guys. Yeah, so pretty much for those who are new and you don't know me that well, outside of me streaming or uploading video, the brand pretty much is not only just digital world but the physical world on the streets. Pretty much what I'm saying is I'm a versatile person, I'm multi-talented, and my brand does other things, me being the person that represents the brand, and you guys too who journey with me. So one of my talents is pretty much I'm a director, videographer, I have artistic eyes. So on Friday I was doing a video shoot with my road manager, big up yourself Jay, Maki Sinus was there, big up yourself Taj and the rest of the team and Domino. Yeah, but anyway peeps, was there shooting, doing a music video at doing a music video, and after the music video wrap up and thing, something in my head just say go and check on your vlog camera, right, which is this device here. When I go and check in the safety bag, or the bag that I always keep it in, it's super hot. I was like, yo, why the vlog camera so hot? Try turn it on, it's not turning on. I saying to myself, alright, maybe the battery dead, I don't know what's happening. Come home, try everything, try turn it on, jump start, everything. It now work. People, the motherboard pretty much burn up. Yeah, so I tried all of that when I was at the office. Maki Sinus did it, my manager and thing, and pretty much my breakdown, you know, when something hit you, you just decide for just to take a walk, and so I'm just walk. I just pack up my stuff and just walk, just take a long walk. Even Maki Sinus end up all cuss me and say, yo bro, me just gone, so, and thing, you know, big up my brother. But it really hit me, guys. If you guys don't know, being a YouTuber, your camera plays a major part, especially for me too, you know. It plays a major part in me giving you guys the optimal experience, not only just creativity but in quality also. You see the videos, y'all love the quality. It hit me hard, guys, to the point where right here my brain, the frontal lobe hurting me, middle of my brain hurting me. I'm very stressed out, people, and I'm very sad. Camera is a lot of money. Yeah, a lot of money. A lot of money for the camera. A lot. I paid for it, you know. Can shoot in 4K, 1080p, 60 frames per second. Yeah. Alright. That camera that I shoot for you guys to carry everywhere. And pretty much I'm just out of it, guys. Yo, I don't know what to do right now, peeps. So right now I'm using my phone and record, and I just wanted you guys to know what's been happening, why you haven't seen your regular video upload on Mondays. And so 2020 has been a year, you know, from one thing to the other. You know, my entertainment peeps, I don't even know what's gonna happen regarding the entertainment part. The last thing I gave you guys was the Bob Marley amplified reimagine exclusive behind the scene thing, you know. Big up to my peeps them over there. So I'm depressed, guys, to be honest. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen, peeps, but I don't know what's gonna happen with the channel or everything. I'm trying to work out some stuff, guys, but that kind of money, seeing that the big C's happening right now, is kind of hard to get. I had to cancel a lot of my appointments what I had with my sponsors, you know, cause I'm not able to shoot or do what I have to do, you know. Yeah, guys, it's not a pity thing still. I just wanted to share this with you guys and let you guys know what's happening. Thank you very much for watching. Keep me in your prayers. Yeah, I'm very depressed and stressed, guys. And here we in spite of everything, guys, we're just gonna keep pushing and do the very best that I can. Thank you very much for watching, peeps, and just keep smiling in spite of everything, as I'm trying my best to do, and just go on journey, dear boy. And remember that nothing can stop us, cause God are your rock. Whoop! Thank you very much for everything you guys do. You are amazing. Keep me in your prayers. Ashoo!
Easily, man, I beat them easily.